What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm not doing an unboxing. So let me explain what happened here. I don't even know if I'm gonna put the clips that I had before this or not, but the plan hey, chill out. Has, and always will be to streamline things. I really like this cart, the Griots detailing cart. I really dig it. I like it a lot. When it's time to polish, whenever I have polished, this thing came in handy, and I never screwed this down, so I was able to always take this off. So if I'm doing a 1 or 2 bucket wash, rinseless wash, or anything, I can just have one or both buckets. They fit up there right on top, and it's just been a successful setup for me. Thankfully, my pressure washer fits underneath. That's the AR Blue. So that's been down there, and I may be getting an Active 2.0, but we'll do other videos on that. I had bought a Miro or some kind of weird sounding name brand from Amazon, thinking, hey, they're all the same. And now that I got this one in, this is Apache sells it, but I think it's a General Pump because it says General Pump on there. They're not all made the same as far as I'm concerned. Just a fit, finish, and a couple little things. The whip hose being blue on the original one and black on this one. The reason I bought it, it was $80-something, the first one. I had like a $60-something coupon or gift card or whatever it was. So I paid like 15 to 20 bucks total. So not bad. This one was like $115, I believe. And then if you factor in the $60-something thing, so it's like a $60 setup. But this is what I'm thinking is how I'm gonna mount it. I think I'm gonna center it like that. It'll leave me enough room. I might push it over a little bit, but it'll leave me enough room to maneuver the handle. I can access everything height wise. I'm not gonna need much. I only have a 50-foot hose. I do have a 5/16. I'm gonna experiment with the 5/16 and the 3/8. Either or, it is what it is. I don't think I need a 3/8. That's more heavy duty professional, and I definitely don't want a 1/4. So that's where I'm at with this. I'm gonna try some things, see if I can get this mounted. It looks like I just gotta put 4 bolts, and the plan will be, I'm gonna leave this here. The plan will be, hopefully everything can still go good. The plan will be to drill a hole here so that the little water inlet area can just come straight through down to here. And I don't think I need, I don't know, either way. And then the other one that I had, by the way, didn't even have a pressure washer connector fitting on there, but this one seems good. I believe this is rated for like 3,700 PSI or something wild. I'm never gonna have a pressure washer that goes beyond that. The last one I had that was even close was 3,100 PSI gas pressure washer. All the other ones, the electrics, they all seem to be at 2,000, 1,900, 1,800 or so on. So that's where we are. I'm gonna see what we could do. I'm gonna mount the handle just so I can get an idea of how much actual space I have. And then I'm gonna try working out these fittings to figure out what the hell I'm doing and how to do it. So come along for the ride. Okay, a little bit of an update time. I decided to mount it where the hoses are gonna be able to face this way. So I put it all in there. Got my screw holes down so I could put the bracket on there with the screws, and then I drilled a hole in here, which I think came out pretty good, and I got it right up here, which I wanted so that there wasn't a lip. So say there is a leak or there's any water, it would kind of have the ability to like drain out. Not that this wouldn't drain out, but I think this would be good. And the whole point of that is for the whip hose. Now I was gonna make it a small hole, but then I realized if I did it where this wasn't able to come in and out, then I was basically handicapping myself because it's a bitch to get on here. Not that I think I'm going to take it off, but whatever. So I did a regular hole here, and I fully sent this bad boy all the way. And even that wasn't enough, so I had to take a file and just go through. Now it's all nice and smooth in here, so there's no sharp edges, and it's plastic. So I'm gonna just finish it up, sand it off a little bit. I might make it a little bit bigger and try to put like a little bit of a rubber grommet in here. But now this just fits nicely. So I'll have my whip line coming from here around and in through here, and then we're Gucci. I think for tonight, because it's starting to get a little late, I'm just going to attach this end here and just bolt it up. And then we'll see tomorrow if it leaks. My luck, it will. But we're going to find out. Well, this is going to be the final update of the night. So now this is where it's going to sit for now. Just a heads up. That'll be all permanently mounted here. Now I am going to go to the hardware store tomorrow with one of those bolts and get shorter ones because that's no good. But for now, just to get it all mocked up, that's what we got. This works out nice. This is a thick ass hose, so like I said, I'm gonna get some kind of rubber grommet in here to just protect it. Or maybe they make like these sleeves that'll just go over that, or something I could just put over the hose while it's in there. Maybe some kind of foam. This won't stay like this. This is just gonna be while I use it. When it's not in use, I'll just have it tucked in here in the inside the cart, and the cart will fit right back in that corner. And all I really have to do when it's time to go wash the beasts is to just do what I gotta do, and then I can just pull, you know, obviously once that's done, you know, I unlock this and pull that out, and I'll be able to pull the hose and take as much as I need out, get the unit roll and fire it up, boom, and we got videos. It's gonna be fun. Okay, this is gonna be a quick test. We've got water going to the system, so we're gonna see how this does and go from there. All right, kind of nervous because it's going into my house. So. Alrighty. Alrighty, we already have a failure. Okay, big mess. Well, one of these mistakes was my fault. One of these was not. My fault was not having anything on the end of this. So that's my fault. Their fault, well, which is technically also my fault. This, I don't know why I thought this was gonna end up being tight, but apparently this was not tight. So I'm gonna add some new thread tape on it and tighten it. Trying this again. On low. No confidence whatsoever right now. I don't know what's going on. I turned the water on. Nice man. Where are you going? You're going to get another slice? Okay, have fun. So, I don't know. Oh, maybe there is water. Hold on. Okay. Number one concern I had was it keeping pressure and put extra tape on here, and I tightened the peanut butter and piss out of that, so that's good. We're playing with freaking fire here. I mean, I don't really care about water getting all over the freaking floor, to be honest with you, but I just don't want water to get all over the Escalade. I'm not washing it right now. Let's see if I do it this way. I don't see any leaks, and seems like it's going. So let's do a test, I guess. Dare I say it? Dare I say? Turning the power on this biznatch. Holy Jesus Christ! We pressurized, homies. We're pressurized. And there's nothing. It's kind of fun, man. I love this. My daughter's watching Encanto, hanging out, eating pizza. And Daddy's just doing stuff. I've dreamt about these days. I love these days. I definitely feel the tension in the hose now. It's, oh, I can't believe this. Savannah, it works. Watch. Woo! I am videoing. I mean, this is powerful. I don't see any leaks. Did we do it? Oh man. Okay, so it's done for now. We're gonna make some tweaks. I'm gonna add something on here to put the cord, the power cord, onto the cart also, instead of having it sit there like that. But I just wanted to give you a quick rundown, give every one of you a quick rundown of just the functionality and the final pieces that we did. So we've got the reel, so we've got my actual hose that I've had. So when you want to use it, we've got this hose coming from my water supply that goes straight into here. We've got the whip line coming straight through there into here. Now we've got water to here. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to take your handle of choice and connect it at this point. This is very important. If you don't connect this, it will piss water. Don't want to do that. So if you want to have your reel open and unlocked, because right now it's locked, it's just this pin. You gotta pull this out and just leave it there, okay? So now, basically what I could do is take this and pull however much I need. I can keep going. It's pretty much that easy. I just wanted to show you when it's time. Obviously it's a little more difficult and I can't do it as neat with one hand, but you're just basically going through and just rolling it back up. Okay, so works flawless, have no problems, everything seems Gucci-rific, right? I love it. I think it's been great. Obviously when I bought the Griots cart a while back, this was my intention. I just didn't know, I never really had a reel before, so I didn't know if it was gonna be small enough to fit into that area. At first, what I thought I was gonna have to do was take a sheet of like metal or wood or something, attach it here, and then have this sticking out, and then I just wasn't gonna like it as much. It would have been more of a hindrance. So, but yeah, that's it. Honestly, I have no regrets with this. But yeah, if you're looking to do stuff like this, don't get the cheapest reel. Obviously, I did it first, and the whip line just didn't have the right connections. Unless you have the right connections and you're good with all that stuff, I'm not. So anyway, for me, this was the reel that I enjoy right now. Everything seems to be good. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. And let me know what you think about the cart. What else do you think I should add to this cart? I'm actually looking forward to doing couple more things. I just don't know. I don't want it to be overboard and gaudy, but I want it to be functional and fun. So if that makes any sense. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one.